Hi, this is Rochelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to work in my PR and social media planner. I'll be using this washi tape from Simply Gilded. This is mostly a digital spread. I may use some pre-printed, pre-cut stickers, but I think I'm going digital. I have these leftover sassy Easter eggs from my B6thology spread. I'll link to that in the iCard up above. Then I have my first ever digital download from Crafty Planner Queen. I joined the club and I got my first download on Tuesday. I think the new releases are done every Tuesday, as far as I know. And this is my first one. So I'm going to be using it for this spread. And it is Easter uh, an Easter look. And because I am trying out a new style of basic boxes that are not so basic, I designed some in colors that I thought would go with this kit, this digital kit. So I want to play around with these. I'm not very good with shaped boxes, so this is kind of going to be a learning curve for me, but I am going to see what I can do with this. All right, so let's get in. I'm not sure I'm going to use all of these. I was thinking more of the light pink eggs. So yeah, I was thinking there's should be some way that I can blend those in. My cover here is from Live Love Posh and the disc or Happy Planner disc. All of the inserts that I'm using in this planner are inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. They are dated. They come in vertical and horizontal format in a variety of different sizes. So I will link to the Scrapcraftastic Patreon in the description box below. Hmm. Now I use similar colors to this already, and I've kind of been on this neutral pinky kick lately, and I guess I'm going to stick with it for a little while. And I'm feeling like this is going to be another non-traditional Easter spread. So I always forget to get the card out. It's so much easier just to use the ruler. Okay, so I don't think I need the eggs. I don't really want to use, I wanted to put that Easter down, but it's a little big. I probably could stand to reduce the size on these to like half, and I'll probably do that later, maybe. May end up using these again. somewhere else, but let's see what else I can get from my actual sticker books. See what Live, Love, Posh has to offer. This is seasonal. Hmm. These are perfect. But I must keep looking. Hmm. I could probably get away with these too. Add a little more variety, give me a little more pink because the stickers um, from the club are so neutral. Those aren't even straight. I'm gonna have to practice putting these down. I gotta do better. It's not straight at all. I just noticed. So I might have to go back to these just to cover up some mistakes. Ooh, it's so pretty on the disc. I love when that happens. Okay. So even though I use the pink washi, there's not a lot of pink in this spread, but there are touches. There's a little pink in clothing and in those flowers I picked. I think this was a mistake. Maybe I can cover that up with something. I tried to retrieve it, but it did not come up. Mm, did that butterfly do the trick? I mean, it could work. Let's do that. All right. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my hexagons and my parallelogram. I guess that's what this is, a parallelogram. Yeah, I didn't think I needed to add circles to complicate the shapes. So just do a little at a time and see how it works out. I think they look good. They have plenty of space to write in, just like a regular box. So I'm good with that. I've always steered clear of them, this shape and the circles. So it's going to be fun to play around with something new and do something different. Let me know what you think about the spread. Put all information that I can in the description box below as to where to find things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share the video. Let people know we're over here planning. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.